Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to make custom vibration with some sound that you imported in your project. So in this example what you need to do first is import core haptics. You need to declare engine ch haptic engine of type. That's the first thing. In this example, I created VStack with button vibrate, which plays successful vibration. It toggles state of this variable, and then we will see some image with check mark in green color. What is also really important is that on this whole view, on appear, we need to call prepare haptics. All of that is in vibration utils file. So this file consists of two methods. Firstly, we import core haptics. We have a method prepare haptics where we check if this device, this hardware, supports haptics. If it's okay, then we try to start. Then we actually initialize engine and then start it. If there is any error, we print log statement. And the other method is place success vibration. So in this method, again, we check if this device supports that. If the check is okay, the next check is if there is a MP3 file, which is named success sound. So I already prepared that file and added it to the root of this project. If there is that file, we can go further. If there is no that file, we just return and there is no haptic feedback or any sound. We now know that this file exists in our project. Then the next thing we need to do is actually register this audio resource with our engine. After we do that, we check if this is not null. If this is not null, we can go further along. We make pattern. You can just copy paste this part of the code. Here we use haptic continuous. This is sharpness. You can change that from 0 to 1. You can also change duration. And after that we declare player. So we try on our engine to make a player with this pattern, and then start the engine and then start the player at time 0, which is now. All of that needs to be inside do catch. Okay, that's the whole solution. You can copy paste this file, modify it to your needs, and use it anywhere inside your project. I made this as an extension of my vibration view. This is my vibration view, in order to be able to just use it like this: play success, prepare haptics. Like this is really simple, and I do not want to have a lot of code here inside this UI file. So we can now try to run this. Actually, I will run this inside emulator for you to see it. So here I have simulator, iPhone 15 Pro, and what you need to do is now just click on vibrate, and I believe that you can hear. This is the sound that I added to my project. It is the sound of Apple Pay wallet, which I downloaded online. And that's all you need to do in order to vibrate with custom sound. That's the whole solution. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.